Good day, Mr. Patatag. This day we're going to present to you our video presentation about our 3G Bakery Bread and Pastry plant layout. This is our layout. And the followings are the tools and equipment. First is the sheeter for baking, a piece of industrial equipment that bakers can use to make the dough in large quantities without taking a lot of time. It is perfect for restaurants and bakeries with tons of order and favorite foods, including pastries, pasta, and pizza.
So mixer are used in baking to combine ingredients, incorporate air and achieve the desired texture and volume in the baked goods.
The dough divider machine takes a large pre-weighed portion of dough and divides it into smaller pieces with the exact same weight and rounds them to perfection.
Proofer. A proofer, also known as a proof box, is a sealed chamber that provides the ideal temperature and humidity to help dough rise before baking. Proving is a key step in baking that activities the yeast in the dough. The yeast consumes carbohydrates and release carbon dioxide gas, which cause the dough to rise.
Oven is a enclosed cavity or tube where goods or battery is surrounded by a hot environment and becomes baked and transformed into bread, cookies, or other products.
Pan racks, and piece of equipment for bakery and provide the base of way the goods and call for unaffected while the express for baking.
Hood, a kitchen hood, exhaust hood, hood pan, extractor hood, orange hood is a device that containing a mechanical fan that hangs above the stove or cooktop in the kitchen. It removes airborne grease, combustion products, fumes, smoke, heat, and steam from the air by evacuation the air of and filtration.
Bread slicer is normally designed to cut a loaf bread into the different thickness of slices quickly and precisely. Bread slicer is perfect for slicing a variety of bread, such as soft and hard roasted bread, depending on your requirements.
That's all for our presentation for today, sir, for 3G Bakery Bread and Pastry. Thank you.